This video explains how to make settings on your Sigma Sport Pure GPS. The computer has a large, clearly structured display and is operated by 3 buttons. At the bottom left is the Alt button, which always navigates to the left in the menu structure and changes values downwards. The Start/Stop button is located in the bottom middle, hereafter called the Start button. Press and hold the button to open and close the menu, and briefly press to open menu items and confirm inputs. Bottom right is the Bike button, which always navigates to the right in the menu structure and changes values upwards. All functions of the Bike computer are summarized in our operations video. In the case of a new device, some settings have to be made, which are explained below. In the delivered state, the Pure GPS is in the shipping mode and must be activated by pressing and holding the Start button. When the Bike computer is active, the settings will open automatically. If the Pure GPS has already been activated, you enter the menu by holding down the Start button. The display shows Open Menu and then the first menu point Off. Scroll with the Bike or Alt button until Setting appears in the display and open the menu with the Start button. You can now choose between the submenus Device, Altitude, and Total Values. Scroll to Device and open the menu. Press the Start button to change the language. The pre-selected language now begins to flash. Scroll to the desired language and confirm. In the next menu item, Speed, you set whether the Pure GPS should display the speed in kilometers or miles per hour. In the Temperature Format menu item, you can select between the temperature formats degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. Open the setting, select the desired format, and then confirm. Press the Bike button to go to the next menu item, the Clock. The Pure GPS sets the time automatically via the GPS signal. For the correct display, you have to first make some settings. As soon as the GPS receives a signal for the first time, the time is correctly shown on the display. Open the setting, select the desired time format, 12 or 24 hours, and then the desired time zone. It flashes UTC, the international abbreviation for the Coordinated World Time. Use the Bike button +1 to add an hour for the Central European Time, and in the next step, depending on the season, summertime on or off. In the next screen, you will see the current time after the first GPS reception. Open the following setting and select and confirm the desired date format. In the next menu item, Auto Pause, select whether the Pure GPS should automatically stop the training recording when you stop the Bike. The following menu item allows you to adjust the contrast of the display. Press Start and select the desired display contrast, 1, 2, or 3, and confirm it. Next, go to the menu item NFC, Near Field Communication. Via the integrated NFC chip, data can be wirelessly transmitted between the Sigma Pure GPS and an NFC-enabled Android smartphone when the Sigma Link app is installed. Turn NFC off if you do not want to use the function and confirm the selection. Switch the beeper on or off in the following step. In the last menu item, Factory Reset, all settings of the Pure GPS can be reset to the delivered status. Confirm Reset OK. Select back to return to the next higher menu level. You will now reach the altitude settings. Open the settings to choose whether you want the display of the altitude in meters or feet. Confirm the input and enter the value for the first of 2 possible home altitudes. Before the start of the training, the Bike computer should be recalibrated to the current home altitude. You can do this quickly and easily by storing home altitudes which you start frequently in the Pure GPS. Enter the altitude of your place of residence, for example. Whenever you start from this location, you can quickly and comfortably recalibrate the altitude by pressing the Alt key at the start of the training and selecting Home Altitude 1. Repeat the process if you want to set a second home altitude. Alternatively, You can recalibrate the home altitude via the menu item Current Altitude. Open the input and select Altitude. Change the flashing altitude value until the altitude of your location is reached and confirm with Start. The Pure GPS now knows the altitude from the current barometrically measured air pressure. Select optional Air Pressure Normal Zero and enter here the air pressure at normal zero. You can get this information quickly and easily via any weather service. The Pure GPS now calculates the correct altitude from the difference between the air pressure at normal zero and the currently measured air pressure. Exit the altitude settings using Back. The last setting point contains the total values. Here, you can change the stored total values for distance, time, and altitude uphill, or reset all values. Select Back to exit the settings. Select Back again, or hold down the Start button to enter the function menu. For more information and videos about our products, please visit www.sigmasport.com and our YouTube channel.